Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we talks about a function and designs of the soak pit, which is generally used in the rural areas. See, this is the image of a soak pit, which has been shown here. Again, it's a manhole. It's an inlet which has been there. Here are brick things. There will be openings so that the water will go down, and this is a brick batch. The soak pit might be a rectangular, round, which is a concealed construction with a permeable or puncture desired as, which is associated with a washroom or even some particular sorts of a toilet. It permits water to gradually infiltrate into the ground. Soak pit is fixed with a permeable material that gives central help to forestall the breakdown of the underground chamber. May likewise be utilized for a independent treatment of a grey water, that is a water from the homegrown sterilization such as showering and kitchen water. It is perhaps the most normally utilized method to release modern and grown wastewater after essential treatment securely into the ground and even assist with the re-energize the groundwater. In the event there is no expectation or no compelling reason to reuse the wastewater, gathered water or a grey water, soak pit can offer an expense productive freedom for an incomplete treatment of a waste or a grey water from an essential treatment. For example, septic tank, twin pits, 4-plow starting, biogas pioneer, etc., and give generally protected method of releasing into the climate, and in this way additional re-energizing groundwater bodies. Soak pit can always likewise basically be utilized as a passages focuses on our asphalts to reeling the earth beneath the hydrological cycle by gathering water overflows and returning to the function earth. And need of a soak pit. The pro-effluent from the essential treatment, that is example septic tank, etc., and wastewater or a grey water from industries of the home ground use are tainted. In this way can't be permitted straightforward to deliver in the climate, that is the nature. On the off chance that it is released to the open, it makes unhygienic conditions, foul smell, etc. So a specific level of treatment to be given before it is discharged to the ground. For such a light treatment, soak pit is given, where it is likewise re-energize the groundwater beneath. Soak pit is likewise extraordinary method of gathering and utilizing storm water to re-energize and raise the groundwater tables. A soak pit serves the following things. It gathers the wastewater from the essential treatment until unit or a home ground use, that is the kitchen, toilet, etc. It purges the gathered wastewater somewhat and fills in as a fractional treatment unit. It permits the release moderately perfect and non-unsafe water to the encomposing ground. It allows the reuse of wastewater for re-energize the groundwater. It also serves the sole capacity of gathering and penetrating storm water. Following condition has to be considered before constructing a soak pit. By large, the soak pit should comprise an office around 1 cubic meter and profundity ought to be kept between 1.5 to 4 meter. Its base ought to be never under 2 meter over the groundwater table. It can either be fixed with a preamble materials to offer extra help and forestall the breakdown of the dividers, etc. On the other hand, it is very well may be lifted unlined and loaded up with a rock and sent to keep the dividers from falling, which will in any case give satisfactory space to the wastewater. Despite the fact that both in the previously method cases, a layer of sand and a fine rock is to be spread across the lower part of the trench pit to scatter the stream, that's the water. A removable top, ideally a concrete, ought to be given to seal the pit until it should be kept to take to the considerations simple future access. It ought to be built in a protected distance at any rate of 30 meters away from the neighborhood drinking water, and it can have the danger of defilement of the groundwater. It ought to be likewise gotten well from the high traffic zones with a goal that the dirt above the ground isn't compacted. It ought to be ensured that the site doesn't accumulate water from surface spillover, as an excessive amount of mud separated in the pit will obstruct the rock and sand layer, which will impede the leakage and water will stay. See, this is the image of a sock pit. It is a cover, it is the inlet. You had a gravel filled up, percolation into the zone, from here it will go down and it will go down below the ground, because here you have to have a sand has been filled up so that it will segregate the water, so that the groundwater has been increased. Activities and maintenance of the sock pit. A very much measured sock pit can keep going for 3 to 5 years with no kind of a support, in spite of the fact that it requires occasional consideration of broaden its life. Particles and biomass shifted well in long run stop the douse pit and should be cleaned or have the material supplanted. Upkeep a soak pit includes excuming, cleaning, and either washing and recovering the channel material or supporting new rock and sand. The life expectancy of the soak pit can be extended long by separating the influent to forestall unnecessary aggregation of solid. Obstructing of soak pits is a normal after a time frame inferable from the expulsion of particles and the development of the biomass inside the chamber. For a support, a removable top ought to be given to give a simple. The advantages are listed as below. It can be built with a locally available material and easy to repair. It is very simple technology to construct, operate and maintain for all kinds of users. Its installation requires a quite small land area compared to other technologies. It also helps to recharge the groundwater table. Very minimal initial cost and operation cost is required for a soak pit, so it is easily affordable. It is a power conservative technology and it is sustainable. It is suitable technology for a rural or a suburban area without a proper drainage systems. Disadvantages of the sock pit. There are also some disadvantages. The primary treatment of wastewater is necessary to prevent the high risk of clogging. Its installation may negative impact of the groundwater and soil properties in case if it is near the groundwater table or effluent is highly toxic. It is not a suitable technology for countries areas with a colder climate. Those are not very effective efficient technology where the daily volume of discharge is high. They are only suitable for areas where the soil is porous and allows the percolation of the water. If the groundwater table is at least 2 meters below the soak pit, then it is suitable. It is not an appropriate technology for the highly congested area. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and like, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly share with your friends, like and subscribe, which will motivate me to give you